As the college adapts to hybrid teaching and learning delivery, supporting tutors' digital skills is a priority. The ILT team has developed a new staff skills support website, which complements and builds on the regular CPD training available in college. The site is currently in development, but already hosts a range of helpful support material. Use the subject headings at the top of the screen to navigate around the site. Each heading links to training and support material created by the ILT team or recommended from other sources. We are updating the content regularly to reflect staff needs and requested activities. The main homepage has an up-to-date list of online training sessions for staff. The bilingual sessions range from the basics of using Google Meet to more informal problem-solving sessions. The Resources tab links to the College Hybrid Teaching and Learning Standards, along with useful toolkits and CPD resources. The Apps page hosts a list of recommended online teaching tools that can support your sessions and encourage learner engagement and collaboration. If you would like to suggest content for the staff ILT pages or get in touch with the ILT team, you can contact us through the page links or by emailing learningtechnology@gllm.ac.uk.